COVID-19 pandemic had a very devastating impact on the businesses worldwide. However, we got to see some unusually great success stories too. When we were forced to sit back at home, one brand decided to go online, and they went from 0 to 10-figure revenue within a year. And this success couldn't be attributed more than anything than to technology. The shift in consumer behavior due to this pandemic has led the adoption to e-commerce, and it has actually accelerated the adoption of e-commerce by several years. In this session, we will see how deep tech is leading e-commerce to higher profitability and adoption. First, what is deep tech? The different tenets of deep tech are artificial intelligence and machine learning, big data, natural language processing, vision and speech algorithm, speech synthesis, robotics, logistics planning or drones, and a few such similar advanced tech. So can deep tech make an impact on the business's revenue, profitability and adoption? The answer is yes. And in this session, we will see some specific examples. Businesses are governed at large by two simple formulas. Your number of visitors multiplied by conversion rate multiplied by average order value is the revenue. And when from revenue we subtract the operations cost and refunds, we get the profit. Technology can make a deep impact on each of these key business matrices. Let's see some examples. Personalization has become so much of a buzzword these days that it sounds cliche. However, there is a lot of action around it for some reason. While the conversion rate at physical stores is somewhere between 10 to 30% or even higher, the conversion at online stores are usually between 1 to 3%. This significantly higher conversion at offline stores are primarily attributed to the salesperson who have the means to interact with their customers face to face, and this is how they gauge a customer's taste and they are able to recommend them the products that they are more likely to purchase. Online, we can replicate the same behavior to a great extent with the help of AI, ML and big data. AI, ML and big data can help you analyze your customers' past browsing history, their past order history, their past affinity to different kind of products basis which kind of products they click to, their demography and their geography. With the help of this analysis, they can rearrange the products in a way which is more geared towards helping the customers find the right products for them and to make a purchase. So it could be a high conversion driver, the personalization. By some statistics, around 15% of customers need to interact with the businesses post their purchase. Now these interactions could be to know about their order status or their return, refund or exchange related assistance. Now these interactions can be automated. The algorithm can be trained to interact with the customers in a more human-like fashion. NLP comes to help here. With NLP, the computers can understand the context of what the customer is saying. So maybe the same message under two different contexts can have two different meanings. Computers are able to understand this, and with the help of NLP, they are able to frame their responses in a more human-like messages. Now, these messages can be either delivered through text channels or through calls. Next, we can reach out to customers to the channels from where we brought them into our website, to our order journey experience. Okay, so if we had brought the customer from Facebook channel or WhatsApp, maybe we can reach out to them in their zone at these channels and update them about their order status. It will this ease of getting to know about their order status and the other kind of interactions will help businesses earn more customer loyalty. India is a unique market, and many of the challenges that we face here in India e-commerce are indigenous to our geography. Huge RTOs are one such problem, which are primarily caused with COD orders. We need to have mechanisms so that we can detect possibly risky orders or orders that can cause RTO, so that we can avoid such orders. AI can come to our help here. It can help us detect possibly risky orders or fraud orders, and we can avoid shipping such orders. It takes into account customers' past browsing history and their browsing patterns, their past order history to flag any possible risky orders so that it can be prevented. Now, with the help of AI, different customers' accounts, the customer accounts which are flagged for risky behavior, maybe COD orders can be disabled for such orders. Again, since cash handling incurs some cost, so maybe when a packet reaches a customer's doorstep, we can give our customers the means to convert that cash transaction into a digital transaction using UPI or the wallets that people in India are very much used to of using. With the increase of big volume data, it is getting increasingly difficult to be on top of it. While the decision making at the top relies only on a few key business matrices, but when we need to dive deeper to find any aberration into these business metrics, we are welcomed by a mountain of data that is spread across different departments, different functions and different third parties. Machines can be trained to consume these data, process them and arrive at some conclusions, and if you allow, it can also be trained to take some actions. This synergy of AI powered decision making weighted by humans is proving very powerful for e-commerce. While we know about Alexa, Siri and Google Assistant, here is an example of a AI that is trained for e-commerce, especially for India e-commerce context. Max AI, it is developed in-house by KartmaX team, and it can consume your business data that is spread across different departments. It can process those data and you can speak to it like a real human being.
Hi Prakash.
Hi Max.
Hi Prakash. How do you do?
I'm doing good. How is the sales going?
Looks good so far. You have received 6,820 orders with total revenue of 6.1 crore in the last 7 days. However, the RTO has increased to 25% for this period, against our average monthly RTO of 18%.
Can you figure out a reason for this high RTO?
Okay, I found these. 62% of RTOs have come from Maharashtra in the past 7 days. I also see the PIN code serviceability list was not updated in this period. There has also been some delayed dispatches reported that you may want to check back with the warehouse on.
Okay.
Would you like to ask Vishal, the operations head, to check it with the logistics partners?
Yes.
Okay, I have sent an email to Vishal and I have copied you on the email too.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
The India e-commerce is growing at an unprecedented pace. The pandemic and post it, the new normal only accelerated it further. It is growing bigger and bigger, and with this growth comes some unique challenges. Technology is well placed to overcome these challenges and offer solutions that can help businesses grow seamlessly. KartmaX is one such new age e-commerce technology platform that leverages AI, ML, big data, and serverless to help businesses grow further and aggressively. It is designed to deliver on the key business metrics like conversion rate, average order value, operations cost, and to earn customer loyalty. So what leverages do businesses expect from technology? Of course, they want more operations efficiency with minimum human intervention, better customer outreach, higher conversion, increased brand loyalty, and better decision making with AI powered data processing capabilities. Technology will play a major role in scripting this success. We are yet to see many challenges of scale and their innovative solutions that technology will offer. This space is getting interesting. Thank you.